Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a very nice logo and how you can use this system that I develop and that I make, that you can send your logos to your customer to attract and get their attention, because everything is psychology. Sometimes you gotta use certain colors, certain backgrounds, certain stuff that is gonna make you or help you sell your logo. So this is the logo that I just made, and this is the system that I will talk to you about later on, that you can buy for only $10 and that you can use it without internet or anything. It's 100% mobile. You can use it on your cell phone too. So let's begin with the tutorial. Let's close this. So now the first thing we're gonna do is draw a circle. We're gonna draw a circle and click on the CTRL control button. Keep it pressed so that way it draws a perfect circle. Add some color, and we're gonna make a copy here. Make this smaller, probably a little bigger. All right, now we're gonna center this circle with the other one and do the same here. Now let's trim and get rid of this. All right, so now we just have the outline circle. Now let's say we have a company called TR, and then below the signs. Okay, so now we're gonna use a font that's perfect for this. Okay, but we're going to break this apart, and we're gonna make this bigger and place it inside the circle. Stretch it a little bit. All right, I think that's perfect. Now we're gonna click center, or just highlight the whole design and click letter C for center, and it is center. All right, so now the next thing we're gonna do is do like I don't know, I think this would be the best option since this is a letter T. Okay, we're gonna trim this area here, okay, of the circle. Actually, we're gonna have to make this longer since this is an R. You'll see what I'm trying to do in a second, okay? All right, so now we're gonna break this font apart. Break it apart, and now we're gonna do this weld. All right, now we're gonna drag this down and do the same with this. Keep control press so that way it's a straight stretch. Okay, so now you're gonna pick on the circle and click weld, and it's all together now. And we're gonna do the same thing with this side, the letter R, weld, and drag this down. Keep press on control. All right, so yeah, keep it DR. All right, so now we're gonna do weld on this one, and now we have this design here. All right, so you have two options here. You can do this here below, or you can place it here around the circle to path. So go to text here and fit to path, okay? designs. Now we're gonna break this, go to arrange, arrange and break apart. Okay, so you can make this maybe bigger and center with the circle. All right, or you can do, let's do this because I think it looks a little strange. So we're gonna draw another circle and it'll be a perfect circle. All right, so we're just gonna place this below. Okay, it's the same circle, so no worries. Okay, so we're gonna turn this to 180 degrees like this, and then go text fit to path. You're gonna find the center. You know what, I'm gonna make some spaces here. Okay, and the reason being is because the font is too close to each one, so it doesn't look weird. Okay, I think I like this better. Okay, now we're gonna go arrange, break apart. Let's get rid of that. You can make this bigger if you don't like this. Center. Okay, now we're gonna weld this. And now what I'm gonna do is go to Google. If you have a better software like Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop, those are perfect for graphic designers, and you can capture like better backgrounds. Unfortunately for CorelDRAW, this is the best way to do it. So we're gonna use a background from Google, draw a square here, trim. All right, so now we're gonna place our design inside the square or rectangle, whatever. Okay, now we're gonna click on the little background here and click weld, and now we got it capture the background of the metal, gold metal background, metallic, whatever. And now we're gonna trim, get rid of this. You can also break apart, but then you're gonna have to trim around the design, and it takes longer than this, so this is the fastest way to do it. I mean, for me it is. So, and then we're gonna get rid of this, and now what we're gonna do, we have our nice logo here. Now what we gotta do is show this in our system, and the system is called spinning PNG with a black background. Okay, but first we have to save this as a PNG. And how do you save a PNG in CorelDRAW? Well, I'm gonna show you. We're gonna make this bigger. Okay, do not exceed the frame, and then now we're gonna go to File, Export for Web, and make sure the transparency is clicked. Okay, and then you choose PNG. Then now we're gonna save it as spinning logo. Okay, save, and now we're gonna go to our download, and Here you can see the file that we save. Now we're gonna click on our system, and then we're gonna choose the file, spinning logo, and then we're gonna give it the back of the logo. So that way it downloads the front and the back. This is for the front and this is for the back. So if it's let's say a business car, I use this very same system for my business car. Let me show you what I mean. I have this sample for a business car, and it shows the front and the back, but I will show you later on how this system works. Okay, and yeah, this is how simple this system works and how you can make a cool design and send it to your customer to display it nice. It's 100% mobile, and you can type in here your information, like the name of your company and your phone number, so that way if the customer shares this logo with someone, it's sharing your information too, and maybe somebody can call you for a logo design. So yeah, thank you. If you like this tutorial, give me a like and subscribe.